Lymon says the night he killed APD officer Daniel Webster, everything happened in the blink of an eye.
But prosecutors argue he had plenty of time to think about what he was going to do in that moment. And tomorrow, a jury will decide if this was murder or self-defense. News 13's Marissa Lucero has the latest from court.
I'm a human being, I'm saying. I have emotions, I have feelings.
He told jurors he never intended to kill APD officer Daniel Webster.
I didn't want Officer Webster to die, but I wasn't going to be the victim that night.
And that he shot the officer in self-defense, claiming Webster was overly aggressive when he went to arrest Lymon on a suspected stolen motorcycle. But prosecutors argue he shot the officer to avoid being sent to prison as an ex-con who had a gun.
I did what I did because I was in fear for my life.
Today, prosecutors played jailhouse phone calls saying that since the shooting, there's been times where Lymon has showed no regret or remorse.
And then you go and take out one of their kind. That's all well decorated.
That was not me. I don't know who did that.
But today on the stand, he stuck to his story that he was terrified as a black man when Officer Webster pointed a gun at him.
Officer Webster was a police officer, is that right?
Yes, ma'am. So does that give him the right to point a loaded pistol in my head for a traffic stop?
But prosecutors say Webster never fired any shots, and at the time he was shot, his gun had been holstered for nearly a minute. During their cross-examination, they played a portion of the lapel video from the traffic stop.
Hands up. Get your hands up.
As you said you were sorry, you were thinking of how you were going to kill Officer Webster.
No, ma'am.
Suggesting Webster never posed a threat and was just trying to get Lymon into handcuffs. Before he finished testifying, Lymon told jurors how he felt that night.
At first, confusion because I was getting pulled over. Then shock that he put the car in front of me the way he did. Then terror.
Marissa Lucero, KRQE, News 13.
Closing arguments are slated for tomorrow morning. Lymon is charged with first-degree murder. If convicted, he is facing life without parole. And we will be in the courtroom through the end of this trial, streaming live at KRQE.com. We, of course, will also bring you updates on air and on our KRQE News app.